Today we're installing 6-inch all-terrain wheels on the MBoards Interstellar Board. In the conversion kit, you get 4 tires, 4 tubes, 8 hubs, all the necessary hardware, some spacers, and belts. To begin, push the tubes into the tires. Once the tubes are in, use a bike pump to add a tiny amount of air so the tubes fill out the tire a bit better. This will help guide the wheel hubs. Next, grab the first half of the wheel hub and push it into the tube and tire. Flip the whole unit over and do the same thing with your second half. Be sure to line up the valve opening on the hub to the valve on your tube. During the install process, also pay attention to the tread on your tires to make sure they are facing the correct way while you're assembling your wheels. Once you've got both hubs pushed into the tire and tube, be sure to click them together, and be careful not to pinch the tube in the process. Next, grab the 45T wheel pulley and line up the holes with the holes in the hubs. Keep in mind that your pulleys will be black. I'm using pre-production pulleys for the sake of this video. Next, grab the long hardware and push the hardware through both the pulleys and the hubs. Now insert a nut into the other side of the hub. Now all you have to do is tighten the bolt into the nut and it will lock the hubs and pulleys together. And then repeat these steps until you've got both pulleys installed onto the wheels. And for the front tires, repeat these same steps but use the shorter hardware instead. Once you've got your wheels assembled, all that's left is to inflate your tires to 60 psi and to install your wheels onto your board. Using the included spacers, align the wheel pulleys and your motor pulley. And finally, install your new wheels using the included belts. Be sure to tension your belts and you're all set. I hope this video helps you install the AT conversion kit onto your Interstellar board. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. We are always happy to help. And hit that subscribe button for more e-skate tutorials. And I will see you in the next one.